Hi, today is the 11th of July, and let's go start right to the charts. So the first thing to point out is that we got inflation data, and it's better than it was expected. So let's try to figure out this market. Personally, I think that right now it looks like, to some extent, an event of buy the rumors, sell the news. Well, I don't know about the rumors, but sell the news, that's for sure. Because as of now, what we can see here, we see that QQQs are weak, DIA is sort of neutral, SPY is weak, but at the same time we're seeing these very powerful breakouts in IWM and MDY. And we can also point out that these price structures are in place here, so these could look really bullish for the broad market. But as I see it now, we still need some time to sort of digest these news, to give some breathing room to the market to adjust, for large players to adjust their positioning to these potential new configuration, which could involve quite a bit of small caps and mid caps. As of now, this today is one of these sort of treacherous moments, because I see many people rushing to buy stocks, but despite the fact that we can also see weakening in yields, and you're not going to see it, but it's there. I also see that we have this like 1 day jump in the number of stocks above their 50-day moving average, basically stocks which try to trend upwards in this market. It is 57% right now, and if you remember it, most of the times during our previous communications it was around 40%, 40, 39, and I mentioned it consistently that this is not the kind of market you actually want to be exposed to very much. So it could be changing. As I've said, the only thing we need now is more time, because we need to digest this. We need the market forces to adjust to this new information, and judging by the gaps in the respective indexes, it was a surprise. It was really a surprise. So this is quite interesting. Also, the situation in the BTC and the ETH also qualifies as maybe sell the news events, but once again a surprise, that's for sure. So maybe a bit more time, a bit more attempts here will be necessary to follow through to the upside. And with that being said, let's try to take a look at the individual stocks. And here we could see, I think, this long-awaited rotation to the names outside of the tech domain, because what do we see here? Applied materials, quite weak right now. Pharma is strong. Arista Tech is weak too. Abercrombie and Fitch Company, well, shaky. This one is not so bad actually. Appfolio. Avago is weak. Booking is quite weak too. What else? Kava was supposed to be one of the better plays in this market, and look at this weakness too. CMG weak. Coin obviously weak because BTC is weak right now. DKS should have been removed from here. DBZ is weak too. As you can see it now, there are not so many constructive price pictures here, and this is my broad watch list, so to speak. Nothing is really happening here. The only pronounced theme is weakness in tech, weakness in maybe in financials, as displayed here by IBKR. And apart from that, with very few exceptions, like Cura, it's only volatility, only volatility. Once again, Lam Research very weak. Meta very weak also. Not the best day. Microsoft is very similar to Meta. So Micron, it could be actually a good sign, a sign of rotation of capital from these ultra high mega cap names which were sucking the liquidity out of the market. Right now, it could be a good sign, but as I said before, we just need more time to pass to see where the big capital is allocating funds right now. So we already see, sort of judging by the action in MDY and IWM, we can also see, if you watch the names here, you see that pharma is quite strong and tech is weak. So we need more time to figure out the actual positioning of the capital. We can see pharma, as I said, but apart from that, nothing too well defined, in my opinion. Let's take a look at the rest of the names. Tesla obviously is correcting today because of a delay of the robotaxi announcement or something like that. So yeah, basically Yield Solutions is a medical company actually too. They provide outpatient care, if my memory serves me right, something like that. So that's basically it. Yes, so just to summarize things up, good news, obviously good news. Very nice action in MDY and IWM. I think this situation is quite unique because we see weakness in QQQ and power in IWM and MDY, maybe for the first time in recent years. And the only thing we need right now is more time to see actual tradable setups. Well, I guess that's it. Let's be in touch.